Hello team, today's challenge is Word Blender, where we're given two words and we need to join them together. Specifically, we need to join the first half of the first word and the last half of the last word. So turtle and toucan become turcan. Chipmunk and flamingo, chipingo, right? Some really interesting words. If the word is an odd number of letters, then we split on the early letter. So we leave the smaller chunk as the first chunk, okay? And we need to figure all that out, which means that we can get it done, okay? The first thing that I want to do is I want to create a new function. Function, just like this, we're gonna call it split word and toss word in here, okay? With that word, we are going to get the middle index. So const mid index, just like this, setting that equal to word dot length divided by 2, which could be a float, right? It could be 3.5, right? And so what we do is we wrap that up and go math dot floor. Okay, so again, we are going to the smaller number because we're using that smaller number for the next step, which is our split. Okay, we return. What are we returning? Well, we return word dot slice, and we go from 0 to mid index. 2, but not including. Remember that, okay? And then right here, word dot slice from the mid index to the end. This allows us to work on these words. So right here, we can get that out. Just like this, we go split word, and we send in word 1, okay? We also send in word 2, just like this. Now we destructure. And the nice thing here is that we don't need to destructure everything, right? So that first one can just be called first, right? And that'll get us this half, the first half of the word. And then right here, we can skip the first by using a comma and going last, right? So in this case, we only get this second argument, right? We absolutely do. And then from there, we just put it together. So first plus last, and it is done, right? Could we put all of this logic into our main function? We could. Could we do these splits in a way where we only get the first and only get the last? We could, right? There are lots of options in here. But for today, I really like the flexibility of this one. And there's a good chance that if I'm splitting words, I might have to split the other way as well. So getting both pieces really makes sense to me, right? Again, not every solution, just hopefully one good solution. And I feel like that's where we've ended up today. If you think different, if you like it, if you hate it, if you went a different way, hit me up in those comments. Otherwise, today this has been Word Blender, and I will see you tomorrow.